How would you like to make delicious and consistently cheesecake like you eat at home and bakery? Contrary to our blueberry, lemon and chocolate cheesecake varieties with its base prepared from oat biscuits, grated orange peel and freshly squeezed orange juice, the cheesecake recipe that we bake in the oven this time is easily prepared after following the tricks. For how many PERSON8 slices preparation time 3 hours cooking time 1 hour ingredients for heesecake recipe 3. Packs of oatmeal biscuits 75 grams of butter for the cream, 3 eggs 300 gramlabne cheese 300 grams of yogurt 3/4 cup powdered sugar 1 tablespoon fresh orange juice 1 grated orange peel. The key to cheesecake recipe: be careful to melt the butter without burning it over low heat. Use all the ingredients you will use in cream preparation at room temperature. Cover the outside of the springform cake tin to be used in making cheesecake with aluminum foil. Cheesecake likes to rest. Let the cooked cheesecake rest for at least an hour without removing it from the oven so that it can be sliced uniformly. Keep the cake, which has cooled at room temperature, in the refrigerator. Continue to rest in cold environment. While preparing the cream, keep the butter biscuit layer in the springform cake mold in the refrigerator. If you do not want your cheesecake to crack, remove it from the mold by removing tiny scratches on the edges with knife as soon as you get it out of the oven. Cooking suggestion of cheesecake recipe: instead of labne cheese, you can use mascarpone cheese to make cheesecake, lemon juice instead of orange juice and grated peel. How to make cheesecake recipe. 1. Melt the butter that you kept at room temperature over low heat. Turn the biscuits that you break into small pieces into flour in the food processor. 2. Spread the oatmeal biscuits that you have blended with melted butter on the base of the springform cake tin. Carefully fix it with spatula. 3. For the cream of the dessert, if there is any, drain the labne cheese and strained yogurt into deep mixing bowl. After adding the granulated sugar, mix it with mixer until you get smooth consistency. 4. After mixing freshly squeezed orange juice, grated orange peel and eggs one by one, continue mixing for short time with the mixer. 5. After pouring the cream mixture over the biscuit layer in the springform cake tin, straighten it. 6. Put water in heat-resistant containers inside the oven where you will cook the cheesecake so that the top does not dry out and remains soft. Water evaporated by heat will add softness to the cake. 7. Bake the prepared cheesecake in preheated 160-degree oven for about 60 minutes until it turns slightly dark. 8. Serve the cake, which you rest at the heat of the oven, by paying attention to the tricks and then slice it after cooling. Share it with your loved ones.